All I can say is Cactus Jack is in the building, but these come with something extra special. Even after that, I'm still hypnotized by the beauty of these joints, I'm telling you. But first, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy, Primo Cruz here reporting. Whoosh. Once again, we're gonna get into the box on this one. Yes, look at this thing right here, baby. Yes. The light blue, the puffiness of the letters, the glossy. Bro, I'm telling you, I should be the hype man for Nike. They better start coughing up the cheddar, bro. Come on. We needs the cheddars. But all jokes aside, this box is nice. I'm not gonna lie, guys. This is a nice box. Right there in the big, large font. Jack, baby. Jaxx, son, with a backwards Nike logo right there on the edge. Ooh, that is nice. I like it. And it goes into the top of the little lid right there. Really nice, too. Right here, it says Cactus Jack. That's right, baby. Don't get it confused. It's all about that Cactus Jack. Where the sizing sticker is at, guys, is in light blue right there, but it's even more of a brighter light blue. It says Jack on this side right here. And why am I saying on this side over here? Because I don't know if it's to the right or to the left when the camera is facing you. You know what it is. And this box over here came with this little barcode type of thing that I have no idea. It says E507. Guys, I have no idea what the hell that is. If you know, let me know in the comments below. Going to the other side of the box, it says Jack with the Nike logo backwards right there. Really nice. And on the other side, it says Nike Cactus Jack right here in the corner. Very nice. I like it. Opening this bad boy right here, it has this paper. Obviously, it's a paper, but it's actually embossed and it says Jack Nike stamped all over it, but it's actually embossed into the paper. Really, really nice. I like that very much. And inside it has the other shoe that, as a matter of fact, I'm gonna take it off because the right shoe has different things in the left one, guys. I just took out that one because this one has the extra laces on it and I don't want it to get in the way when I was doing my Marimakis. What is Marimakis? I just did a Spanglish right there. I'm actually trying to say Marumaka. Just means like twirling around, you know, so it looks cleaner without the lace. Besides the paper, guys, it has nothing else on it. Just has that little barcode thing right there, the YCM that they told me is something to scan, or it has a chip in it, whatever the hell it has in it. And that's pretty much it, guys. The box is very nice. I am going to actually keep this box because I mentioned in the other last video, and people have actually asked me, what's the big deal with me and the Cactus Jack brand? It's something personal, guys. Yes, if I could get my hands on Cactus Jack merchandise, I'm gonna get it. But it's a personal thing that honestly nobody will probably ever find out. It's a personal thing. And no, I don't know Travis Scott. I haven't met Travis Scott. So no, it's not a favoritism thing. So you can get that out of your mind. So I'm gonna put this box right here, guys. But going back into these beauties right here, man, I'm talking about, let me just start it off by saying that the leather quality on these sneakers are out of control. Very good leather all the way around. The toe box, man, it's nice and soft and plush. That knitting on the toe box, man, I'm talking about high quality knitting. The strap, very nice, very soft to the touch, beautiful strap. I'm telling you, certain individuals could use this strap to do something weird with it. Yes, that's a whole different story. That's to the other channel I'm gonna probably make. Oh God, but anyway, back to the point, guys. The leather is very, very nice. The leather on the swoosh is really nice also. Everything, guys, everything. all the leather in the actual sneaker is premium. I'm very satisfied with the materials of this shoe. There's not much that I can say wrong when it comes to the leather aspect. But getting into the details of the sneaker, the whole toe box, guys, has this stitching, like this tubing, more like a piping all the way around. That one didn't work either. It just has a piece of leather all across the whole toe box that it's really nice in this beige cream color. I refuse to say sale, but it's across the whole toe box. Very nice. Separates the bottom of the toe box to the top. I like that detail a lot. You know me and the details. And the knitting on the toe box, like I was mentioning a little while ago, it's nice, man. Very good quality. It's a thick knitting that I know for a fact it could take some punishment. This ain't like that regular type of knitting. This has really nice. You can go fishing with this joint. You could rip this one right off and you can go fishing. You could go knit fish and shit with it. But just in case you don't like the sneaker, you felt like you wasted your money, you just get it, you take that off and you go knitting. You're gonna probably catch a sardine with it, but hey, you'll do something. Let me unstrap this real quick over here. Let me do this real quick over here, guys, so I can show you. That knitting goes all the way to the back to where the swoosh ends, but it's separated by this piece of leather right there that has this nice little like embossment on it that looks, you know, kind of futuristic, kind of cyberpunkish 2077 type of shit. And on the other side, it has that same leather, but it says cactus with an underline on it in brown, and the cactus is actually embossed into the leather, and it's very well detailed too. I like that also. And going on top of the whole shoe, it's wrapped in that good quality leather. It's very nice and plush, and where the laces go all the way at the end, it looks a lot like a Jordan 3 type of lacing where the little holes go in. But I'll show you something. I'm not saying it's identically the same, but very similar. You see where the laces go all the way at the end right there? It's very similar, guys. Not identical, but it's very nice. I like it. The leather on the upper of the ankle is actually has like this pattern on it. And if you look at it really good, it looks like an elephant print, but without the black on it. And it looks like, I don't know, like one of those sprays that you go like a hole filler, and it just has like all these wrinkles on it. Why did I mention a gap filler? Don't ask me. It's just the first thing that came to my mind. And that's my problem, guys. Whatever comes to my mind, I just say it. But getting back to the point, the whole lining of the shoe in the inside is this brown thick mesh also. And the insole of the shoe, it's in brown with the Nike logo in cream in the inside. As you guys already can see right here, yes, the swoosh is not backwards. Honestly, if they would have done it backwards, I have no idea how it would fit in there. I know they would have managed something around. Some people are complaining about that they would have preferred the reverse swoosh on it. Me personally, guys, I think it's very nice the way it is. Not everything has to have that reverse swoosh. If you're a true fan of the Cactus Jack line or anything that has to do with Travis Scott sneakers or stuff like that, the collaboration, you're gonna like the shoe for what it is and the details that it has. Not everything, oh, just because it has a backward swoosh. That I kind of felt kind of guilty of actually buying a pair of sneakers because it had the backward swoosh on it. I can actually put it right here. And it was the Mac Attacks, guys. I had the reverse swoosh. I was actually gonna buy the regular pair of these shoes until I found out they were gonna make this shoe in a Cactus Jack. So I said to myself, you know what? I might as well hold on it and buy the Cactus Jack. They did the actual reverse check on it, and I'm happy with it. I like it. And it says the Cactus Jack in the back. I gotta do a review on these sneakers and how it's actually held up. I wear these shoes a lot. I really like them. You can tell. Look at the inside right there. It has all the little things for the black socks. I really like them, and I've actually gotten compliments on them. But I gotta do an assessment on these sneakers. I gotta review them and tell you how is it that people react to it. You know, there's always the controversy in there. But anyways, I'm gonna put these back, and it's about the, oh shit, I almost fell. It's all about these right now, not about those. So I pretty much said everything that's going on the inside. Going into the tongue area, the laces that it comes from factory is on that cream laces. The cream laces, guys, has like a little coffee touch to it. If I want to put an actual color to it, it has a little coffee touch. It got sprinkled a little bit of Starbucks in there, maybe even a little bit of Dunkin'. The tongue is actually in that cream color too. And on the left side, sewn on into the tongue, it has the Cactus Jack logo. And very good quality sewn on too, none of that cheap crap either. Going into the back of the sneakers, it has the Cactus Jack smiley face right there. with the Nike check as the mouth. And in the top, it has the pull tab that says Nike Air Zoom. And it is reflective. Going into the midsole in that nice chocolate brown color. Nike be making up their names. I make up my own names too. Hey, it's called chocolate brown now, son. With these squiggly wiggly lines right there. And it has that pattern, that elephant print pattern all across the midsole. That is identically the same pattern as the ankle area. And right in the front of the shoe, it has the shark teeth right there. The Sharkadons, baby. Sharkadon. I love that touch right there, guys. It has like a little eye in the top too, with the toofuses. Going into the bottom of the sneaker, it says Cactus Corporation right there in the middle in this translucent type of plastic. And it's in this nice little cream beige type of color. And everything else, guys, is in beige. Yes, it is a very unique sole, but it is very, very beautiful. I love the way it looks. And all around that sole, in this little indentation areas, it has numbers and gizmos and gadgets and little things and PC and Nike Air and HQ32 and all this mumbo jumbo, and 1997 with these little wings and all the, it has a bunch of things, guys. Over here it says 1988. It has a bunch of writings all over the bottom of the shoe. And just in case you guys don't have a pair of Sharkadons, this is one hell of a comfortable sneaker. I know you look at that sole and you say to yourself, how can that shoe get comfortable? Man, I'm telling you, this sneaker is extremely comfortable. I did wear them. Now that I wore them out, I still got to do an undestocking up, but I wore them just to walk around because I heard about it. People told me, Primo, these things are super comfortable. You got to try them out. And I tell you one thing, man, they are super comfortable. I don't know if it's maybe because the materials on this one per se are very nice and it's plush. I don't know, guys, honestly, but I tell you that they are very, very comfortable. A lot more comfortable than what I ever imagined in my life. Oh, I also forgot to mention that on the inside of the midsole, it has an actual reverse little swoosh right there in the tip. You can see it right there. Very, very nice. It's a dot reverse swoosh. You saw that? That was mind-blowing. Mind-blowing. Me likey. But it came with a boxy. Oh, no, I don't like the pricey. But what are we gonna do now? Anyways, getting into the right shoe, guys, there's not much of a difference, but I am gonna unstrap it over here. And on the other side, it says Shark, with the line under it also, but it says Shark in brown. So the left one says Cactus, and the right one says Shark. I like that, man. Cactus Shark. Well, are they gonna make a whole new sneaker called the Cactus Shark? They already did. What the hell am I talking about? It does come with a pair of extra laces in brown. No, guys, these ain't wax laces. They're regular brown laces, but they are pretty good quality, not gonna lie. To me, they seem like better quality than the regular extra laces that Nike puts on there. So like I said, guys, extremely comfortable sneaker. Nothing to complain about when it comes to comfort. Now, when it comes to sizing, you want to check it out? Watch. I put them on right here, baby. Come on. Look at that right there. Foot. Perfect. Look at that. Plenty of space, guys. Very, very, very comfortable. Very comfortable. Very comfortable. Go true to size, ladies and gentlemen. Don't go a half size up because you're going to end up looking like you're wearing skis. Stay true to size. You're going to love them. Comfortability level. Bing, bang. Quality level. A+. Top tier. S, if you know what I was gonna say in reality. The sneaker is worth every penny, guys. I love them. I recommend them 100%. Nike, you better throw me some shoes over here for free, because this is starting to cost me a little way too much. And all you gotta do is throw a little bone. A little bone, bro, come on. So anyways, if there's one thing I can say about these Sharkadon Cactus Jaxx is, oh, you worth 100% every dime. Guys, try to get your hands on this. Little early look on the Sharkadon Cactus Jaxx. I will be doing an undestocking on this. I gotta take it somewhere to walk around, you know, break them in. It needs some breaking in, some primo breaking in. Till next time, everybody, I love you all, and I'm always wishing you the best. Peace!